Welcome to Finding Articles, the Basics. This video will cover these 4 important steps for finding articles. Step 1. Identify your search terms. To do this, ask, what are the major concepts in my research question? For example, in this topic, the most important words are physical education and well-being. These major concepts will become your database search terms. Step 2. Select a database. To find the library's article databases, you have 2 options. If you're new to searching for articles, use the OneSearch, which is a simple way to search for both articles and books for any topic. If you're relatively familiar with article searching, or you're doing research for your major or your graduate program, you'll want to use the link to find articles in databases. Find articles in databases will allow you to find focused research databases that are good for advanced research topics. Because this video is going over the basics, we'll use the OneSearch, which is good if you only need a few sources or you're new to article searching. Step 3. Search for articles in the database. Once you've selected a database, in this case, OneSearch, type in your database search terms. No matter what topic you're searching, remember, only type in important words. Databases, including OneSearch, search through all of the articles included for the search words that you've typed in. So here we found articles mentioning the words physical education and well-being. You can immediately start to look at the individual articles that have come up for your search, but there's usually some good options to focus in your search and help take some of the work out of going through the individual articles. In OneSearch, these options are over on the left. There are a couple of different options you might want to use to focus in your search results. For example, if your professor has told you that you need to have scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, there is a checkbox that will pick out just those types of articles. On the other hand, you might want to find magazine and newspaper articles. In that case, the scholarly button wouldn't be so useful. One important thing to notice is that newspaper articles are not included in the search results by default. So if you are looking for newspaper articles, make sure you check off newspaper articles. Other useful filters that you'll find in OneSearch are the publication date. If you're trying to find information published during a particular time period, you can type in dates and it will pick out just those articles published in those years. Finally, you may want to focus your search results by subject. This is a way to pick out just those articles that are looking at your topic from a particular subject perspective. For example, this topic, physical education and well-being, would probably bring up very different search results in public health articles rather than well-being articles. Once you've focused your search using the filters on the left, you can start to look through the articles. Each article will tell you the title, the author, and a bit about the article. If you'd like to get more information about the article to help you decide whether or not you actually want to read it, click on the title. This brings you to a page that gives you a summary of the article, so you can know very quickly the whole focus of the article. It will suggest other articles that are related, other search words you might want to use, and finally, it will show you how to cite the article in different citation styles. Notice that if you log in, you can start saving articles that look interesting, which you can then pull up at any time using the My Saved Records link. Step 4. Capture an article. Most of the articles that you'll find in OneSearch will have online copies available. To access the online copy of the full text of the article, click on the link that says Full Text Available. This will open a new tab or window and allow you to access an HTML or PDF copy of the full article text. From there, you can usually save the article or email it to yourself. A smaller minority of articles that you find in OneSearch will not be available online. You'll know this because you won't see a link saying full text available. You can still get that article, and if you'd like to find out how, watch the tutorial for tracking down the full article text, which you'll find on the library website under Research Help, How-To Guides.